The Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, has been awarded the Best Governor of the Year 2024. The governor gladly dedicated the award to the solution team and all the stakeholders in the Anambra project: the keke riders, the bus drivers, the traders, captains of industries, the traditional institutions, clergy, security agencies, students, etc. He also assured everyone that he has just started with good and quality works for the people of Anambra and society at large.
Governor of Anambra State, His Excellency Professor Chukwuma Soludo.
The hardest working governor in this federation. It is my singular honor to present to you this award from the Sun Publishing Company, winner of the Governor of the Year 2024. Congratulations,
And this is to thank the management of the Sun newspaper. Because about 20 years ago, the Sun newspaper was one of the 8 newspapers and magazines that simultaneously awarded us Man of the Year. About 20 years ago, because of our transformation of the banking and financial. About 20 years after, the Sun newspaper again happens to be one of the 5 newspapers that have now also simultaneously recognized us as the Governor of the Year 2024. I devote this award finally to the government, to the solution team, and all the stakeholders of the Anambra transformation. The keke drivers, the businesswomen, the Okada drivers, our businessmen, our clergy, our traditional institutions, the government, and all the people who toil every day to cleanse and transform Anambra State. And what I said to you today, you ain't seen nothing yet. Thank you very much.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a blessed evening. The Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, met with the management of Shanahan University, led by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Josephat Ogwejofo. He emphasized the importance of quality education, charging them to strive for excellence in all aspects, especially in attracting and retaining the best teaching staff across the world. He encouraged them to focus on producing well-rounded graduates who can make meaningful contributions to society. A school is only as good as the quality of teachers and its quality of teaching, he said. He went further to say that Anambra State will support the university in areas that require state intervention. He further assured of the state's commitment to improving education in Anambra through strategic investments in public schools and supporting mission schools to the extent that the resources permit. This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a blessed day ahead. The former governor of Anambra State and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, Mr. Peter Obi, extends birthday wishes to the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG. As he posted on his Facebook page, and I read, "I would like to wish heartfelt felicitations to our dear, revered General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, as he celebrates his 83rd birthday today. Your life of unwavering faith, humility, and dedication to the service of God and humanity continues to inspire millions. It is my prayer that as you continue this journey in the Lord's vineyard, the Lord will strengthen you even more. May He renew your strength, bless you with divine health, and grant you more years in His grace and favor. May the fire of the gospel continue to burn within you, and may you finish strong, fulfilling the divine mandate entrusted to you in Jesus' name. Happy birthday, sir. I celebrate you and pray that your legacy of faith and service will continue to shine brightly for generations to come. Mr. Peter Obi. This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a blessed evening. Following the launch of the Education Committee in Ogidi by the leadership of Ogidi Union Nigeria, headed by Chief Ikwuka Okoye Anambra Ogidi, the newly launched Education Committee has started work for the growth and improvement of education and its activities in the community. The chairman of the committee, Professor G.C. Onachukwu, and other members of the committee have been tirelessly working for a positive result to be achieved in the community within a short time. On the 6th of March 2025, the committee, which had earlier invited all the private primary and secondary schools in Ogidi to a meeting, addressed and charged them to improve the standard of their schools to meet the acceptable standards for learning and development. The chairman of the committee, Professor G.C. Onachukwu, in his speech, highlighted some of the key areas of great concern, which ranges from inadequate infrastructure of schools shortage of qualified teachers and understaffing, non-compliance with educational standards, and some other critical areas. At the end, the school owners were charged to improve in the facilities of their schools, employ and retain qualified teachers, have strict compliance with government policies, and to collaborate with government and relevant stakeholders. On the final note, he urged them to raise the standard of education in Ogidi so as to ensure that our children receive quality learning experiences in safe and well-equipped environment.
So I believe now, one of the education, so everyone is in our prayer, or you are vocal about if on a school year meets for standard. No, only I like academic school. So when I been met one car, we was about infrastructure can fail. Ever I've been in the private school and what the problem. But now you and some area like township, every working with 3 days school and so all the go to on side that on your way school. Before I make up, you get a letter to your nearby government. So I believe now that time that nearby schools, if you make sure you can use their field. So if I can talk, when you now marry, and not one on their school, whether approved or not approved, because that extra curricular activities matters a lot. If I can say train, that things. So now I believe and the other they are nearby.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you watch this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you watch this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a blessed day ahead. Ndị Ogidi nke bi na mba Washington emezuola otu nkwa ha kwere ndị Ogidi. Dịka onyeisi nke Ogidi Union, Chief Ikwuka Okoye Anụmmiri Ogidi si wee kwu na ha kwere nkwa na ha ga-emepụtarịrị ihe a na-afụ anya n'Ogidi. Tata ka mbụrụ ụbọchị dị na 14 n'ọnwa nke 3 n'afọ abụ 2025 ka ụgbọala bubatara ọkụ dị 100 n'Ogidi nke ya bụ onyeisi nakwa ndị otu ya nabatara ma were obi aṅụrị na okwu ekpele nyekwa ndị ahụ buputere ego dị otu a iji gote ihe dị otu a ime ka Ogidi dị mma.
This is the vehicle that converts the solar lights to Ogidi Town Hall. These are the solar lights.
Both spiritually and physically. Physically, if Nandi Ogidi Union, Washington in America. Say Kafabido go do with 100 pieces of 5,000 watts Emirate power solar lights. We see ni wulili bu nebe ni Ogidi ni okay ni enwe. Na ya chozo chichi ni Ogidi. Wa ri kwonu fa mma. Ai na kenandi Ogidi Union, Washington. Na kafas na nka bu mbido. Ko tabani na. Na nka bu mbido. Na the cattle se kita ka na deliver. Yes,
Each carton contains 4 solar lights.
Yes, 25 cartons.
25 cartons of solar light, 5,000 watts.
Webu Chief Okoye, Chief Okoye onye bụ president fa na Washington onye bụ driver na drive ife mee na ife a gara ọfụma ndị ọzọ kwọ nkwa fasịkwara nke a bụrụ ebe o jedebe na nke a bụ mbido
ọ gakwara n'iru mee ka ndị ọzọ bụ ndị Ogidi na mba niile dị iche iche mara na ihe a bụ ihe kwesịrị ime ọ bụ ihe kwesịrị nṅomi ma bụrụkwa ihe ziri ezi na onye ọbụla bụ onye Ogidi ga na-eche echiche gbasara ime ihe a ga-eme ka Ogidi wee chawapụta ma na-egbuke ma bụrụ ihe eji etu akpịlị ma na-eme ngala n'etiti mba ndị ọzọ gbaa Ogidi gburugburu nakwa mba ụwa dum.
Nke a bụrụ ife nṅomi anyị na-atụkwa anya ndị ọzọ ma ndị Europe ife a na-achị ọnụ bụ na